Okay, everybody, we are Hoover Tower, the 14th floor, looking out at the church of Stanford over there.
You're taking a video?
Yeah, I'm recording the video, Daniel. Come on, Daniel. Act alive, Daniel. You know what I'm doing.
So gay.
No, my student, they're gonna hear this video. Okay, Daniel, watch your language. Okay.
I'm sorry, I forgot you're black.
Okay. What's your language? Huh?
That's not even a bad word.
I don't know. People got sensitive around here. I'm
Right.
telling.
Oh, take a picture. Take a look down there.
I
It looks
know.
really cool in the camera.
Okay. It looks very close. That's what he's pointing to me. Okay.
You're narrating everything I tell you?
Yeah, people don't know what I'm doing. They don't know where I'm at. So that is the church. I goes there once. I say hi to Jesus, and that's good enough for so many years. Okay, where do we work, Daniel? What is the building that we work in?
It's that way.
That somewhere over there.
No, look. There's Forbes down there.
Huh.
So that means we can't see it from here.
So we
but
work
it's
in
the building
somewhere over there.
Yeah, somewhere over there.
Somewhere over there.
Yeah. It's being like everything.
Oh, the wind is blowing. I better not drop my phone, even though it's stupid.
God.
Blah, blah, blah. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Ooh la la, ooh la la.
That person right there with that. Yeah, on there. See Babu?
Hello, people. Do you hear us? They probably think I'm crazy. I'll be like, it's nothing new, people.
Look at that guy. He knows we're looking at him.
He knows what he's looking at
Yeah,
him.
the red guy.
I'm waving at him. Is he waving back at me? No? Okay, never
Right here,
mind.
down here.
Let's move on. Let's
Saw
move
that we
on.
were pointing at him.
Okay.